Hey, what is up guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unbox the Poco C31, a brand new phone launched from the Poco brand on Flipkart. Priced around 8500, but we can get it for 8000 on Big Billion Day offer on Flipkart. We are going to see how it's different from Poco C3 and do you really need to upgrade to C31 from C3? Let's find out. Without further ado, let's get straight to it. On the box it is mentioned as the price is around 11,000, but you can actually get it for 8,000 during a Big Billion Day offer. So that's a good thing, and it also comes with a dot display, drop notch display, an AI triple camera, 5000 mAh battery, and also a fingerprint scanner. It also comes with a MediaTek Helio G35 processor. And if you're new to this channel and still haven't subscribed to my channel, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification to get the video notification as soon as we upload the videos and get the latest tech tips and tricks. So let's proceed. Let's see what we get in the box now. So as we open the box, first we are going to get the phone itself. Here you can see the phone. Let's take it off, and here we're going to get safety guides and manuals along with this, and along with that we're going to get the SIM ejector tool right here. This is a SIM ejector tool which we are going to get in this, and it looks really nice. It's good. And inside this box we are going to get the manuals and other safety guide related to the phone. Okay, we're just going to get one guide in this. Well, that's all we are going to get in this file. So let's keep this aside, and here is the charger of the phone. This is a normal charger. Looks really nice with that, and here is a cable. This is a cable which you are going to get in this phone, and this is a micro USB cable, which is a big letdown. They should have provided USB type C, but here we have the micro USB cable, and the length of the cable is very less too, so that's a big bummer. It's not that long, it's short, and here you can see the micro USB cable. Here it's the pin. So yeah, that's it, and that's pretty much it what you're going to get in the box. That's all you're going to get. So let's keep this aside and let's take a closer look on the phone. The phone looks really thin. It is really thin, and here we can see the switch off and on button along with the volume rockers. It also has a gradient texture behind. You won't be able to feel it much, but you can just see it, observe it. A bit of a texture which is a nice touch, and it also comes with a dual tone. Upper side with the darker blue color, and below is the textured layer. And the below down we get a micro USB port, speaker, and a microphone. And on top we are going to get the headphone jack. Let's peel this protective layer. The phone looks pretty good, very shiny. Let's turn this phone on and see how it looks like. Let's see the user interface of this phone. And here it's turning on with the Poco logo, and now the MIUI user interface. This phone uses the same user interface as the Redmi phones, so you're going to get the same operating system as compared with the Redmi phones. Now let's see some basic specification of this phone and compare it with the Poco C3. Here on the screen you can see the difference. The only difference between this phone is a fingerprint scanner. Other than that, there is no major difference. Everything else is almost the same, with few minor small changes. Everything is the same. Even the camera setup is the same. There is no huge upgrade on this phone except the fingerprint scanner and other small minor changes. So that's all the difference between Poco C31 and C3 there is. This is the fingerprint scanner on this phone, and this is the camera setup. It comes with the 3-cam setup with a single flash. Main cam is 13 megapixel wide angle and 2 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel depth. Phone is pretty thin and it's decent. Now the phone is turned on. Let's look at the user interface of the phone. Screen and look and feel is very nice. Scrolling is pretty smooth. And I guess we also get a light mode on this menu, light and dark mode. Here it is, let's change it to light mode. Oh yeah, this is good. And one more good thing about this phone is that you're not going to get any ads compared to Redmi phones. So that is one good thing about this phone. Here you can see the notification drop down menu, and you're not going to get much of a bloatways on this phone. There are very minimal bloatways. You can also delete this if you don't want any apps on this phone. So that's another good thing about this phone. And it also comes with the Android 10 out of the box, just like the Poco C30 or C3. Here you can see the Android 10 version with MIUI 12. So now let's check out the camera of this phone. This is the camera user interface, which you can see. It's very similar to the Redmi camera setup. So it's almost the same thing. Now let's take a picture on this phone. Okay, that's how long it takes to click a picture. Not very fast, but it is okay, a decent speed. Let's take another picture. I'm also going to attach some pictures taken on this phone so that you can get a better idea of the picture quality on this phone. These are some of the pictures which I have taken on this phone. Here you can get a better idea of the camera performance on this phone. And also when you talk about customization, you get a lot of option to customize your phone. You get different themes, wallpapers, you can change it easily, have a different themes on this phone. So when it comes to customization, it has fully loaded customization. You won't get bored with this phone. So that's another good thing about this phone. And now the final verdict, whether you should buy this phone or not. If you have a Poco C3 and if you are looking for a upgrade, this is definitely not the phone you should look to upgrade, because everything is same except you get a fingerprint scanner in this phone. If you really need a fingerprint scanner, then you can go for this phone, paying $600 more, or else Poco C3 is a better option. You should definitely check Poco C3 other than going for Poco C31. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I do request you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. I'll see you all next time.